Imagine waking up one day and having absolutely nothing. No job, no money, no connections. Just you and your mind. How do you get back on your feet? How do you not only survive but build real financial freedom from scratch? 99% of people in this situation will panic and grab any low-paying job just to get by. But the rich think differently. Today, I will break down exactly how I would rebuild wealth if I lost everything. The first and most important thing is controlling your emotions. Most people in this situation panic, take the first low-paying job they find, and fall into the work more, earn less trap. But here is the truth. The average person can earn far more than they think. The problem is not a lack of resources, it is a lack of the right mindset. What to do in the first 24 hours? Accept the situation. Do not waste energy on self-pity. Focus on solutions. Where can you make money quickly? How can you create a new income source? Shift from survival mode to growth mode. The goal is not just to make money but to lay the foundation for wealth. The rich do not trade their time for money. They create assets that make money for them, even while they sleep. You have no money. The first priority is to generate fast cash money that starts coming in immediately. Here are 5 ways to make money in your first week. Freelancing. If you can write, edit videos, or do graphic design, sell these services on Fiverr or Upwork. Even with no skills, you can make money through data entry, transcriptions, or managing social media. Flipping items for profit. Find cheap items on eBay, Craigslist, or thrift stores and resell them at a profit. Dropshipping is another option that requires little to no upfront investment. Service-based work. Running ads for small businesses, Google, Facebook ads. Managing Instagram, Telegram, or TikTok accounts for businesses. Basic website setup services. Delivery work or renting assets. Delivering food or packages brings in quick cash. Renting out a bicycle, car, or any valuable item can generate passive income. Learning a high-demand skill. Short online courses like digital marketing or copywriting can start making you money within weeks. The key is to not waste the money you earn. Every dollar should go toward the next step building long-term wealth. Fast cash is good, but if you want real financial security, you need to build assets that work for you. Here are 3 business ideas that anyone can start from scratch. Online business, YouTube, TikTok, blogging. Content is a digital asset. A YouTube or TikTok channel can generate revenue for years. Topics, finance, life hacks, product reviews, motivation, social media, and digital marketing. Managing business accounts on Instagram, Telegram, or TikTok is a remote-friendly job. Running paid ads for businesses can be highly profitable. Selling digital products, PDF guides, mini courses, templates, and checklists sell well online and create passive income. The biggest mistake people make is trying too many things at once. Pick one, focus, and scale. Once you have stable income, the most important rule is this: do not just spend it. Invest it into assets. Where to invest? Stocks and ETFs, long-term wealth accumulation, real estate rental income and property appreciation, your own business, reinvesting profits to scale faster. The biggest mistake is increasing expenses when income rises. The wealthy build assets first, then enjoy luxury later. Have you ever noticed that rich people do not work harder, they work smarter? They follow 3 key principles. Do not work for money, create money. Do not sell time, build assets. Do not save money, invest money. If I lost everything today, I would not look for a job. I would start building assets immediately. Now you have the plan. How to make money fast in the first week. How to create a stable income stream in a month. How to build wealth in a year. Comment below. If you lost everything today, what would you do first? Money can be lost, but knowledge stays with you forever. Hope you get rich soon. See you in the next one.